make up some ground here off the light. Keep it clean. See what's about you. First lap is our best chance to make up some places. 30 people off the line and head into the first corner in a good, clean position.
Come on, guys, fucking sort it out.